month of November is cooperation.
Cooperation means the same thing as teamwork.
It means that you cooperate with members of a group or team
To achieve a common goal or task.
be willing to help others.
When your group decides that,
Your idea is not what they want to do.
How do students at Readfield show cooperation?
Listen without interrupting.
Ask others to play with you.
Talk about problems calmly and solve problems peacefully.
Use good manners like please and thank you. Play fair and follow the rules. Share with others.
be a good friend and don't spread rumors.
Cooperation is working together as a team
To get the job done.
Cooperation is working as a team and encouraging others.
Thanks for helping me.
Cooperation is working together to achieve something.
Always remember to cooperate and
Be a buddy, not a bully.
when working together, it's important to be a meet. Wait a minute.
Switch around.
Team. That's better. Cooperation means that you take turns on the playground. Like if you're on the swing, you can give another person a turn.
Treat others how you want to be treated.
That's how you can be a good teammate.